The Roman Catholic Church has a new Pope, the 267th Pope, who will lead the Roman Catholics across the world. And it's the first Pope who is an American Pope which we have here. Francis Robert Provost has taken the name of Leo XIV. A Pope is a shepherd for all the Catholics. If I'm in Pope who was there, I was looking very much forward that Government of India would invite him and that he would come here, just not to India but also to Goa. While many assurances were made, there was no formal invitation sent. Now this Pope is 69 years of age, which means he has a long way to go. I can't say that he would be able to say yes to coming immediately, because he would have to put his place in order and take certain decisions. But I look forward that the government of Goa will push the government of India to invite His Holiness Pope Leo XIV to a papal visit to India, and definitely Goa, which has been known the Rome of the East. There is a lot of faith, there's a lot of a feeling when a Pope comes. When Pope John Paul II came to Goa, I had gone along with my friends who were Hindus. When I was in Margao, we went to Kortali. On that road we stood with candles in our hands. And you won't believe, it's not only us who shouted with joy when seeing the Pope, but even my Hindu brothers and sisters who were with us, they shouted with excitement and with so much happiness. Which I asked later on, how come you also reacted? They said, we don't know what we felt when we saw him. It was like a magical moment. The Pope transcends over all and does not look at particular religion, though he's our shepherd. And I will definitely look forward to this Pope meeting the challenges of the Catholic Church and also continuing the good work of Pope Francis, which touched the lives of millions of poor, the millions of the uninitiated, of those who had been left on the roadside, and those people who really need not just spiritual guidance and help, but also a loving hand and a touch.
Mr. Ferreira, would you move a resolution regarding this invitation of the Pope in the Assembly so that it could be sent?
Now that you made a suggestion, it's a good thing that we will take it up. We will see, a resolution is not enough. We need to move. I will write a letter. We don't have to wait for Assembly to come. I will write a letter now itself to the Honorable Chief Minister that on account of this, it's a very great moment and we would definitely love to see him here. And the earlier the invitation goes, we will have a time slot, perhaps next year or within 2 years, that he can come. But if you delay the invite, his coming also can get delayed. So definitely we don't have to wait for Assembly to move a resolution. We can ourselves write a letter. Though I would expect, if you have seen, our Prime Minister Modi had such cordial relations with the previous Pope Francis, going to Rome and meeting him and hugging him too. So I think that they will welcome this present Pope with equally warm welcome and a hug, and definitely allow him to visit on a papal visit. Please understand, that's an official visit, not on a private visit. So when you invite him, he comes as a head of state and he accorded all the privileges as a head of state.